In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a YouTube video to a product in Shopify. And the video is going to be positioned just next to the product images right in here. So at first, let's log into Shopify, add an account, and then go to products. Now let's locate the product in question. In my case, it's this one, gray sofa. It should be right in here. Let's open it. Now under the media section, click to add new media. And now select add from URL. Now let's go to YouTube. And let me just copy the URL for one of my videos. And now let's paste it right in here. Let's click on add file. So the video was just added. Now make sure that the video is selected. In other words, the checkmark is set right here. Now click on done. And as you can see, the video was added to the media section right here. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing it. And here it is. The video is now accessible through the media section on this specific product. Now we can go ahead and click on it and play it. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. I hope you found it helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.